Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to customize Always-On Display on Galaxy S20 Exynos. So first, open the settings of your phone, then lock screen, enable the Always-On Display and tap to show. Now, right here, you can select when to show the Always-On Display. I have tap to show, but also you have show always, show as scheduled, and show for new notification. And here you can change the clock style, also show music information, change the screen orientation, enable the auto brightness, and read about Always-On Display. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.